what have we got here? Crispy, perfectly even microwave cooking with AEG 8000 series, 42 liters convection microwave. Love it. So with this guy, I can cook, reheat obviously, steam food, defrost, air fry, bake and grill to evenly cook perfection. All right, let's have a look and see. I love unboxing. Favorite thing. How gorgeous is this machine? I mean, it's so elegant. I love the black finish. It's gonna go so perfectly with my kitchen. Love it. All right, I'm gonna go inside and see what we have. All right, okay. I love this. So this is like a steaming bowl. This is where the food goes, and that's where the water to steam as you cook goes. Perfect. Let's see. Oh, I love these babies. These are for like grilling or baking. I'm excited about the fact that there's two and different heights because I can then do two different things. You know what I mean? We've got the air fry tray, which is perfect size for me. And most importantly, the user manual, because, you know, these guys come in handy. And for me, I think the highlight is just how on the manual it shows you whatever ingredient you're cooking, different size, different program, or different grams, and different time. It just shows you if you're cooking, for instance, we're gonna be making shrimps. Shrimps, 400 grams, cook them for 5 minutes. Now I know. Okay, so let's get cooking. I can't wait to try this.